These are the common mistakes that every course creators commit while he is starting off his journey. So if you are starting your course creation journey, watch out this video and avoid these mistakes. These can give you a fine start. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's start this video. Hi, my name is Arship Pagadia and in this video I am going to talk about 6 common mistakes that we commit while creating our first online course and we should not commit from today onwards. The number one mistake is selecting wrong topic. We are so excited to create online course and we forgot to validate our topic. We forgot to validate our niche. So please take time to decide your niche. Validate that niche and that should not be out of your interest. Otherwise what will happen, you will not be able to create gamification, you will not be able to engage your students with your course. So that should be of your interest, that should be having potential to grow, that should be solving some problem that people are ready to pay for. And if you want to validate your niche properly, you will find the video link in the description and I button of this video. By watching that video, you know how to validate your idea. So please don't select wrong topic. Number one mistake people are committing. And number two mistake is including too much details. Your students having some details, they having access to internet too. So please don't try to include too much details in your course. Give them chocolates to eat. They are going to consume that information in such a way that will blow their mind to take action. So never include too much details. Include the details that required to deliver your message and give them the support during their course. Don't create and forget about course. If you can provide them the weekly support, the fortnightly support or monthly support even, then they are going to get results very fast. So the number two mistake is including too much details. Please avoid this. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video, please like this video. And number three mistake is creating long videos. Ideally, don't create videos more than 20 minutes. I recommend you to create videos of 5 to 10 minutes and that should be engaging also. That should be giving them assignments also. And if some of your videos are going about 10 minutes, there is no problem. But the number of videos about 10 minutes should not be more than 2-3 videos. The total course duration should be between 3 to 5 hours so that your students can consume that, students can learn that. So your course completion rate will be high and the deliverability of your content will be also high because you are delivering your content, you are delivering your idea, you are delivering your solution within short period of time. And this is the very common mistake people are doing while creating their first course. Number 4 mistake is not addressing common problem. What happens when you creating your course? You are not taking feedback of your students and you are not able to take feedback of your students. That's why you are not addressing your common challenges, common problems in your course and people getting confused because if they are facing a challenge and that challenge is not included in your course or the solution of that challenge is not included in your course, that is the situation where your students start doubting on your course. Include the challenge that your students are going to face while implementing your course and give them the solution for that challenge also. And number 5 common mistakes we are doing is no gamification, no engagement. When we creating our first course, some of us are starting as a new coach. Some of us may be having earlier experience of making YouTube videos, doing some seminars, doing some webinars, doing some live class, but some may not be. And the persons who are not having earlier experience, they create videos without any gamification, without any engagement. And what is the engagement? Like if you are watching this video on YouTube, liking this video, commenting on this video and sharing this video is engagement. And that counts a more because that activates you to learn something new. Learning requires energy. And if you are not having energy while learning, then your learning may not be sustainable and you can forget that learning within short period of time. Last but not the least, common mistakes we are doing is underpricing the course. We price our course between $10 to $15 and in most of the cases we are not pricing $10 also. We are pricing 199 Indian rupees, we are pricing 499 Indian rupees, and that is not the right strategy. I want you to create the course that delivers the value. Always over deliver, but charge premium, not to underprice and nor to overprice also. Charge premium and deliver 10x of your charges. These are the 6 common mistakes online course creators commit while creating their first course. And just for recap, number 1 is selecting wrong topic, number 2 is including too much details, number 3 is creating long videos, number 4 is not addressing common challenges, number 5 is no gamification, no engagement, number 6 is underpricing the course. Comment below that I will not commit these mistakes. And if you want to join the community of course creators, you will find the link in the description of this video to join Youth Info Hub, where each one of us are creating online courses, and the environment will help you to create more engaging, more effective and more selling online courses. I recommend you to join my community. Thanks for watching this video.